Hey, Rich homie.
Like, this nigga just sitting up, sweating hard as hell. Moving.
What you doing, Rich homie? What's up, nephew? What you doing?
Take a picture of you.
Hey, sister. What's up? What's up, Peanut? What's good, Peanut?
He was like dripping sweat.
Hey, Dad, this too much for the camera.
What's up, man? What?
Hey, CJ, you know how to be, man.
What's up?
What it is?
What it do?
I'm in town, chilling at the spot, finna eat some noodles. I put the chicken in the water because he lied. It was just in the sink naked.
Nah, it wasn't in the water, bro. I put it in the water.
Somebody lied.
So he ain't about that cooking
Tavia
life,
in the
huh?
house don't want to eat. She just want to eat her mama chili. Mother's eating chili on top of salad. You know what that means.
Country.
Yep, nah.
We on our ratchet shit today.
Yeah, ratchetness. I'm a little ashy. I got cheetah print flip flops. Check it out. Well, they have cheetah. I see them missing some spots. You see this? Real nice and quick. I'm trying to find something else to cook. I don't know though. Besides going. Did y'all like a tutorial on how to cook your noodles?
No.
We get you on camera. Unless you can flip it to front.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Flip it
now I
to the
can't
front.
flip it to the front while it's recording.
Oh.
Yo, Ratchet Sundays.
Ratchet. This nigga in his security outfit and ain't even working.
It is. It's Ratchet Sundays. We really ain't giving a fuck. Turn the out for what? You know.
Uh-oh. Look at CJ.
He looking like a sheep over here. Look.
He taking a kneel for his football team.
He looking like he got a chill pit growing on top of his head. Look.
Let's get up on it. Get up on it.
Are you talking about the Malika house?
He don't even know it.
Ratchet to the fullest.
Man.
Ratchet to the fullest.
Daddy with his gold
But
too.
we don't give a shit. We ratchet one day out the week.
What's up, CJ? Uh-oh. Black Horse is playing. Tavia. Rich homie. You can't run from the camera.
Give me a hug.
Where's Julius? Oh. Over there. Hiding from the cam. What's up? Let's do this. Are you ready for? Hello, Shay. Where's Skyler?
He gone.
Oh, he's gone, Kendrick. Look at this room. This is what he's done today, fighting. There's no going back. She's a beast.
Stay fresh on
Yes,
footwork.
good Nikes. What you want to do, Shay? I mean, damn, I don't call her Shay. Tavia. I got you, though. What's up? You hanging with CJ?
Even the motherfucking house shoes.
Nikes. Team Nike. Just do it. We like that lingo. CJ look like he taking a knee for football.
Take a nigga off the camera.
I ain't got you. I just got your leg. Hey, he look like he ain't got nothing attached. Like he got on a prosthetic. Oh, you feel me? Turned. I'm just walking around doing dad duties.
I got till Tuesday to be ratchet. Cause that's my wedding
He's
day.
turning in his pay card. Baby, do it all for you. Wish Jada was here.
Yo, you know, Tuesday is all over with. Signing my life over on the dotted line. Giving somebody the titles to me. So that's how it goes.
Is she gonna change her last name?
Huh?
She's gonna change her last name?
Nah, I'm not changing my last name. She'll be wearing my last
That's what I said. She changing hers.
name. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, she got to. That means I got the titles to that ass.
Oh, got the fucking car titles,
Like, you gotta know.
but JJ
But
titles.
JJ titles. I own it.
Oh my God. Why do that? It look like he gonna go work at the club and it's Sunday.
See, I'm still Ratchet from last night.
He didn't even wear that last night. Like, lied. He went to work and still didn't even put that on. He said that's his little boy t-shirt.
Nah, this the big one. They gave me my new one.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
See what we got floating around the house.
Kendra's gifts.
Yeah, I didn't.
You know,
that's
this is Kendra's stuff. Kendra's, you know. Kendra. You know, I got the ham nails. I didn't pay for them though, you know. You know, me and Kendra just do
Why
the
you ain't got no clothes on?
I don't know. Got a burrito outfit. Oh, we were just talking off camera. Because you wrapped up in that cover. CJ said he cold.
Y'all sweating down there be cold, bro.
With the blanket with the holes in it, but he cold. That's like a hospital blanket. Hey, CJ, do that again.
Do not get that curtain up there.
Oh, damn. Oh, that's already in the video.
Yeah, he wearing it.
Oh, shit. I didn't even pay that shit no attention. Damn. CJ tall as hell.
I just got off the phone with him. He didn't say that. He just called.
Look at Tavia jumping on
I
Julius.
want to know one thing. Who tried to lead this little swallow
He
damn
did.
Kool-Aid in there?
He did. What's his name? What's Tori little boy name?
That's Tyshawn.
Tyshawn. Yes, he did.
Tyshawn.
Oh, Tyshawn.
Look, this is how black people get beat up in the house. You do not leave a swallow damn Kool-Aid in the jug.
This type of shit goes on around here.
No, bro.
Two empty jugs.
Listen, if any of you white people got black significant others and they family be at the house, realize you do not do this. You do not leave a cola or Kool-Aid in the jug.
Guess what? You see that fountain? It's my shit. I don't give a damn what's empty around this bitch. Well, wait, it's some lemonade I ain't know about, but I will be attacking it. Since no one wants any of that. Got a nice Bud Ice in here that was wasted, you know? Because niggas really don't drink that cheap beer. A nigga really be wanting a Budweiser.
But we got cereal out there.
Good cereal. Hold on. That's jitty though. That ain't even real Cap'n Crunch. But they got real Fruity Pebbles. Real Fruity Pebbles. And real Rice Krispies. They got berry colossal crunch. Maybe they bigger. Maybe they bigger than Captain.
I don't know. They work just fine though. I don't know.
That's the Trap House Crusty Crunch.
Shit, I eat the Rice Krispies.
And I eat the Fruity Pebbles. Real
Yeah,
nigga shit.
we got the deep freezer full of shit.
Well, if it wasn't all this wedding crap on here. They better make these cupcakes good too while they bullshit.
I gotta put this in there. Oh, hold up.
Huh?
Hold up, check this out. And for Team Groove, you know, cause I am OG Gangsta Face,
Yes.
Westside 5, those who were Gangsta Crip gang, you know what I'm saying? You better know that. Yes, the wedding colors,
Turn down for what?
orange and motherfucking blue. You know what it is. This how we going in.
Know that.
Hold up, wait a minute, check this out. Y'all didn't know?
Orange and blue
These my
plate.
forks, orange and blue.
Hey, you seen the wedding glasses?
My left is orange and blue.
Hey, you seen the wedding glasses?
Yeah, they blue.
They blue. You hear me?
Team Crip over here, man.
I told her to switch out. You know, she got 3 packs of them wedding balloons. I told her to switch out one of them packs and go get an orange or a blue pack, but she didn't want to do that.
We even got the little cupcakes for the wedding. They orange and blue.
Turn up.
I'm orange and blue.
I'm walking blue.
Turn up. Turn down for what?
You see it's on the dad and daughter. You know this always us.
All game.
Yeah.
Me and my baby girl, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Turn up.
They,
Fire the red niggas.
Hold up. And guess what? For y'all people that don't know, when y'all go get the little wedding things, they do make black people that go on there.
Oh,
you know what I'm
the real shit.
So sis,
Got you a black Ken and a white, a Clifford and a Jana.
but I'm gonna tell you something though. When I looked at the thing, you know, it had the white dude smiling, the white girl smiling, the black girl smiling, and the black dude got a mean mug on his face.
Cause he a thug nigga. Hold on, but this white girl ain't smiling either. So how about it?
Nah, she got a smile on her face.
Oh.
She gotta look real close.
Oh, he's
See,
mad. He
yeah,
ain't trying to get mad, bro.
He mean mug.
It's a black nigga. The bouquet even blue and orange.
You know, this what we do. We going in. You know what I'm saying? And
I won't be ratchet like this for long because Pops is gonna shave my shit up. You feel me? I'm gonna perm my shit up.
Then on top of that, everybody thought my Suburban was gone. That bitch would be back on the road too. So brand new rims, brand new box, cleaned up, fresh with the just married shit on it. You know, sometimes you play broke so you can goddamn come up even better. You know what I'm saying?
I will be driving.
People will leave you alone when they think you broke.
I will be driving. You feel me? Fuck what they talking about. So stepdaughter can keep her goddamn Honda out there. Like she thinks she's gonna be pushing the whipster.
So with that being said, guess what? We
talking shit on the videos.
We turning all the way up. But I'm finna put some of this stuff in this deep freezer. What was that?
You dropping shit. Dropping shit. Oh my eyes. God damn. Shit, put my eyesight up. This flash done got to me.
Oh, yeah, why y'all thought the refrigerator was empty? Oh, we got plenty of shit.
And it's even deeper.
We go in. And
I
this,
took a nice little slice.
and this how it look at the end of the month. This after we done ate everything.
You hear me?
And we still ain't running out.
They got about 30 goddamn boxes of popsicles. I know that much. Well,
we use that stuff as a baby soup.
oh my God. Yeah, we ate good crisps. Them whack ass crisps though. It was slick kind of, you feel me? Not finished. You see my phone? You see that red light? See that red light blinking? That's the ham text. I can't put my stuff on screen though. You know what I'm saying? That thump it on. Food on thumb.
Oh, and by the way, the phone that we recorded this on, yo, I'm just gonna keep it real. Ghetto nigga finally got some credit, man. I got the phone for 99 cents.
Turn down for what? I need to get an AT&T up around this bitch. 'Cause I'm working out for old ass. Blackberry. Keep calm. It what it is though. It bumped. You got a Facebook app and Pandora app. Some of the shit. Baby Sky and looking ass. Baby Sky and looking ass. Taze Young keep wanting to look. Tavia's over here getting beat up. She don't want to get beat up on camera. She got her ass up there. Get him, Tay. You gonna get him, Tay? She's scratching. I'm gonna scratch you off. Taze Young. Well, y'all niggas ate about 30 bowls of cereals. I'm surprised you're still hungry. Still over there snacking. Are we done with this video? Because I really want to cook my noodles, so you can keep going.
All right, that concludes the video.